Hello friends, welcome to WP Inventor. Today I will teach you how to install Contact Form 7. First of all, we go to main admin panel of our website. Then go to plugin section, add new. Here we're gonna type Contact Form 7. Here it is, Contact Form 7. We have to install it. Okay, it is installed. Now we activate it. Okay, now we have to integrate this into our page. Go to pages, add new. We have to add the title here, contact us. Then we have to put the shortcode of Contact Form 7. We get it from here, install plugins, Contact Form 7, and hit the settings. Here it is. Here is our shortcode. We have to copy it. Now go to add new page and we have to paste it here. Okay, all done. We have to do just publish it. Here we got our URL. And let's see how it's look. Here it is. The people who want to contact you, they put their name, email ID, subject and their message, and here the submit button. That's all for today guys. Do like, subscribe and share our video if you like it. Thanks.